Hi everybody, welcome to week 8. I am on the week 8 assignments at a glance page, and I just want to give you a little bit of an oral overview of the key things that we'll be focusing on this week. Our week 8 grammar assignments, it's chapter 8 of course, and that chapter is on pronouns. And if you click on the link, you'll see that I've made a little video in there introducing you to the subject of pronouns and why they're tricky, okay? There's a chart in there too. Now, I've put some videos in here, and I really strongly advise you to watch them before you do the reading that's assigned this week on the article called The Value of Art. This article discusses something that happened at a museum called the Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum. It was a heist, an art heist, and as you'll find out, basically what a heist is a robbery. So I've put these videos in there so that you will have some background on the museum and you can picture it and learn about it. And there's another one on the robbery itself. And these videos will really help you when you go in to read and annotate the chapters, because you'll have a visual image that you can will help you, make the reading come to life. Okay, we have our last ATD discussion. We will have another assignment before the end of the quarter, but this is on the last section of the novel, so please do that. And we have our usual week 8 discussion. Now, I just want to remind everybody that the ATD, the Absolutely True Diary discussions, only require one peer reply, whereas the weekly discussions require 2 for full points. Okay, and we are going to take a practice reading quiz this week. And again, these go together for 15% of the grade, the practice reading quizzes. And you're going to take a grammar quiz, which will be on count and non-count nouns. So, and articles and other determiners. So chapter 6 and chapter 7. Okay, and as usual, we have our open discussion. What did I want to say? Oh yeah, please. There's so much good information in this book, and as students at this, in our 4-point book, and as students at this level, you can be learning a lot if you study the reading strategies. For example, this week, you're going to learn about a strategy called SQ3R, which has been used and is still used actually very broadly across. I'm sorry, I'm so tired. Anyway, the SQ3R strategy is a very helpful study strategy, and I think when you look at it, you'll realize that I've actually been teaching you how to do SQ3R when we write our summaries. Okay, there's also a strategy on avoiding plagiarism. So anyway, I wish you well this week.